I'm Dr. Ian Parkinson from the School of Earth Sciences, and I'm the director of the geology programme and also teach some of the first year geology courses. You may not have studied geology at A-level and only encountered it in other courses or through TV programmes such as Volcano Live. Geology is a really interesting subject because it uses maths, physics, chemistry and biology to understand the evolution of the solid Earth and how surface processes affect the way the planet is today. We do this by studying rocks and fossils in the laboratory and the field, and also using remote sensing techniques such as seismology to understand about the composition and evolution of the Earth. Our first year geology courses provide a firm grounding in the earth sciences, and we study such things as the age and origin of the Earth, fossils and evolution, rocks and minerals, and geological maps. We offer 2 open courses for our first year students. Planet Earth, a 20-credit unit, which involves 3 one-hour lectures and tutorial support. And Geology 1, a 40-credit unit course, which involves 3 one-hour lectures, 1 3-hour practical, tutorial support, and also several one-day field trips in the local area. Both courses are taught over the 2 teaching periods, and assessment is by an exam at the end of the first year.
I'm Angelina Zhang, and I'm taking Psychology and Environment Earth as my open unit. I chose Environment Earth because of the amount of contact hours it has, because I realized that in psychology I had very little lecture time, and I really like being able to see my lecturers and sort of knowing that I'm paying for something and being able to see that I am paying for it. And also because Environment Earth is assessed by exams in January and June, and I much prefer exams over coursework. Before taking Environment Earth, I did not take geology or geography or any earth sciences. So when I first went into it, I wasn't sure what to expect. But it turned out to be quite amazing because it wasn't fluffy like how I expected it to be. It went quite deep, and I learned a lot about the different earth cycles, like the atmosphere, the hydrosphere. Then you learn about how humans interact with the environment. Then you learn about non-renewable resources and renewable resources. So I think that even if you didn't take an earth science subject before, it's still all right to go into it because the lecturers bring you up to date with all the other things. So I've learned quite a lot of things by taking Environment Earth. I realized that the Earth is much more complex than it seems, and by being able to be with other students who are taking the same unit, I learned that, well, they do much more than what I'm learning. They go through practicals and field work, and it does expose me to the future careers that they might go into, which is amazing because then it's like they could go into things like engineering or geology, and it all mixes quite well because then it seems to help the world in some way, and I think that's really, really cool.